Hello children, good morning. How are you all? Okay. Today I am again back with another new interesting topic. So, before entering into the topic, I will show you some pictures. Here are the pictures. Okay. By seeing these pictures, what you came to know? The pictures are related to what? The pictures are related to, right? It is about? Yes, it is about birthday. It is about birthday. That means birthday is a special day, right? So birthday is a special day. On that day we will wear new clothes. We will pray to God and we will have sweets and chocolates. And evening time you will be cutting the cake. So that means on birthday you will be enjoying your day. So similarly, apart from that special day, we are having some other days. On that day we will enjoy more. What are those days? Yes, you are right. Those are festivals. Today our topic is festivals are fun. Okay, so festivals are fun. That means we are having many festivals. According to the religions, we are having different kinds of festivals. First one we are going to discuss about Holi. First one, Holi. What do we mean by the festival Holi? It is a festival of colors. It is a festival of colors. Okay? On this day, what we will do? We will play with the colors. Different varieties of colors we will be playing. And dry colors, and also we will mix some colors in the water and we will be pouring on each other and we will be more enjoying on that day. Yes? Second one, coming to the Diwali. Second one is coming to the Diwali. This is everyone's favorite festival. Yes, I know. Because why? On that day, what we will do, children? We will fire the crackers. We will fire the crackers. Yes? Okay? That means it is a festival of lights. It is a festival of lights. Yes, it is a festival of lights. On this day, we will worship the goddess Lakshmi. We will worship the goddess Lakshmi in the evening. We will light the candles, we will light the lamps, we will light the diyas. Okay, this is a diya. Okay. We will light these diyas in our home and in the evening time we will perform the Lakshmi Puja. Next coming to the Eid. Next coming to the Eid. These two festivals are celebrated by Hindus and Eid is specially celebrated by Muslims. And this will be coming after Ramzan. That is fasting day. That is fasting. After fasting. In the 1 month they will be doing fasting and after that 2 days they will be celebrating the Eid. On this day Muslim will go to mosque. They will go to mosque to do prayers. On this day they will wear new clothes. Okay, they will be distributing the sweets. They will be helping the poor people by giving the food and clothes. And more, they will prepare a variety of sweet called sevain. Okay, they will prepare a sweet called sevain. Okay, this is about the Eid. Next, coming to the Guru Purab. Guru Purab. This festival is celebrated by Sikh people. This festival is celebrated by Sikh people. What they will do? They will be celebrating it as a like a guru. They are praying to the gurus of Sikh. And what they will do? They will go to the Gurudwara. How we will go to temples on our festivals and how Muslims will be go to mosque. The Sikh people will go to Gurudwaras and they will be worshipping there. And again they will be having their food. They will be donating the food freely. They will be giving food to the other people freely. We call it as langar. Okay, they will be giving the food. They also will be wearing the new clothes and they will be celebrating in the Gurudwara. They will be praying and they will be reading the books of the Guru, books in the about Guru Nanak in Gurudwara, and they will be giving the food. They will be providing the free food for all the people who are visiting this Gurudwara, and they will be we call it as that langar. This is about the Guru Purab. Okay, next one is Christmas. Next one is Christmas. On this day, what they will do? It is a festival of Christians. Okay, Christians. What they will do? They will be celebrating this day as a birthday of Jesus Christ. They will be celebrating this Christmas as a birthday of Jesus Christ. On that day, they will be visiting to the church. Okay, they will be going to the church. They will be decorating the church very beautifully with lights, and they will be doing the special kind of prayers. They will be doing the special kind of prayers on that day, and they also decorate the Christmas tree. Okay, they will be decorating. This is a Christmas tree. They will be decorating this Christmas tree, and who will be there? He will be giving Santa Claus. You know Santa Claus, children? Santa Claus. He will be giving the gifts. He will be giving the gifts. Okay? This is a Christmas tree. They will be making this Christmas tree and decorating it with number of lights, different lights, and all like here star. They will be placing everything. They will be decorating with the different items. Okay? Santa Claus will be giving the gifts to the children, and they will also wear new clothes, and they will be visiting to each other. Next coming to the Pongal. Pongal. This is celebrated. Christmas is celebrated on December 25th. We are getting holiday now on that day. As a Christmas, we are getting the holiday. Next on Pongal. Pongal will be coming in the month of January. In the month of January, it will be coming, and it is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Where it is celebrated? Tamil Nadu. We are living in Telangana. Yes, we are living in Telangana. Like that, another state is there, Tamil Nadu. In that, Pongal is celebrated. It will be in the month of January. On that day, they will wear new clothes, and what they will do? They will be worshipping the cows. Especially, they will worshipping the cows, and they will be eating the sugar cane. You know sugar cane, children? They will be eating the sugar cane. They will be enjoying eating the sugar cane. All relatives will be coming to the home. They will be having the lunch together, and they will be preparing the pongal, sweet called pongal with jaggery. They will be preparing the sweet pongal with the jaggery, and they will be putting the rangolis, colorful designs in front of their house. Okay, this is about the pongal. This is about the pongal. Next coming to the Onam. Next coming to the Onam. On Onam day, this is celebrated in Kerala. This is celebrated in Kerala. Here, Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Here, Onam is celebrated in Kerala. They will also decorate their houses with flowers, and also they too put the rangolis. We call it as pukams. Pukalams. Okay, they will be decorating the house with number of beautiful, colorful rangolis, and they will be celebrating the Onam, and it is of 10 days. It is of 10 days festival. It is of celebrated 10 days. On the 10th day, they will be celebrating the Onam, and they will be preparing the special dish. That means the meals, the lunch will be varieties. Different varieties of foods will be there, and that we call it as Onam Sadhya. Onam Sadhya is the complete meals. Different varieties of foods will be prepared, items will be prepared, and all the family members will gather together, and they will enjoy. They will do some different kinds of dances, and they will be eating this Onam Sadhya. This specially they will be preparing on the day, Onam Sadhya. Apart from these festivals, these all are the festivals which are celebrated by different kinds of religious people like Hindus, Muslims and Christians. But there are some national festivals which are celebrated by whole country. Total Indian people will celebrate few days. What are those days? Those days are nothing but Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Yes? What are they? Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. So, Republic Day, when it is celebrated? On 26th January. On 26th January, we will celebrate the Republic Day. On this day, President will hoist the flag in Rajpath in Delhi. In Delhi, President will, who will hoist the flag? Who will unfurl the Day. On that day only, in 1947, on 15th August, we got independence. That means our country became freedom. Our country got freedom from other countries. Okay, so on this day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi there, no? Prime Minister. Now our Prime Minister is Narendra Modi. He will hoist the flag in Delhi Red Fort. He will hoist the flag. Next one is Gandhi Jayanti. When we will celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? On 2nd October. On 2nd October, we will celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. Who is Gandhi? Who is Mahatma Gandhi? He is a father of nation. He is a father of our nation. He struggled a lot to get freedom to our country. That is why we celebrate on 2nd October Gandhi Jayanti. People call Gandhi as Bapu. What they will call? Bapu. They will call Bapu. Indian people call Gandhi ji as a Bapu. These all are about the festivals which we will celebrate with everyone and according to our religion. And you will also having few days like birthday, and you will be having your mother's anniversary day, your mother's birthday, your brother's birthday, your father's birthday. Okay, these are also some special days, but these all are celebrated in our country in different places and by different religious people. But national festivals are celebrated in by all our Indian people. I hope you all understood the class very well. Now I will give you worksheet. Okay, here is the worksheet. Okay, so first one is match the following. In one column I wrote different types of festivals and the like national festivals and the religious festivals. On another side, another column I wrote days and the description about the festivals. So Gandhi Jayanti, Christmas, Independence Day, Republic Day, Diwali, Holi, Onam Sadhya, Seven. Okay, that means what kind of the Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated when, Christmas is when, and on Holi is related to what? That all you have to match. Okay, it is very easy, children. Next one is question answers. Name 3 national festivals. Now I told you in the class about the national festivals. That means name 3 national festivals that you have to write. Next one, how do people celebrate Onam? And next one, this is a homework question. Everyone should write. Okay, take help of your parents but write it. Okay, write some other special days apart from these days. You write the special days which are celebrated in our country or in any other places. Like in our school also, apart from these festivals, we will be celebrating few days. Write about that. I hope all of you understood the class very well. I will be posting the pictures in the middle of the lesson, middle of the video. You can understand the concept very easily. Okay? By that time, keep smiling